Oh, the bird room is pretty clean. Everybody is busy with their daily stuff waiting to come out, as you can see. Pete is by the door. He's like, will you please come get us? Quinn, you ready to come out, buddy? Heck yeah, he's ready. Everything neat and organized, just in case I need it. I know where everything is. There's Luna, she's ready to come out. Tia's ready to come out. Oh, she's so happy, tormenting the toy. And last but so not least, Tyson. Hi, Ty Doo-Doo. Are you ready to come out too, buddy? Yep. Everybody's ready. Great! Good job!